Henry VIII wanted to rule more than just England. He wanted dominion over the entirety of the British Isles. When Henry VIII's nephew James V died, leaving a 6-day-old baby girl as the monarch of Scotland, he saw the perfect opportunity for the crown of Scotland to be under English control. He decided that he wanted his 5-year-old son, Edward, to be betrothed to and marry that tiny baby girl, Mary, Queen of Scots. This would join the crowns of England and Scotland forever. He decided to send an ambassador from England to get this plan to happen. Henry needed somewhere safe for his ambassador to make his base, and also somewhere he could make sure his money would be secure, so that his ambassador could use it to bribe nobles to come over to his cause. Henry knew just the place, Tantallon Castle, and the person, Archibald Douglas, owner of Tantallon Castle, who could help. Archibald Douglas had married Henry VIII's sister Margaret when she was newly widowed. Her son, James V, was only 2 years old and the King of Scotland. Henry's sister and Archibald would later have a child of their own. That child was being raised in England at the court of Henry VIII, alongside Henry VIII's daughter, Mary, from Catherine of Aragon. At one point, Archibald imprisoned James as a teenager for 2.5 years. As a result, James loathed and hated Archibald. His marriage with Margaret ended badly in divorce, and the moment James came of age, he charged his stepfather with treason. Archibald went into exile in England, where he received a pension from Henry VIII. As soon as James died, Archibald returned to Scotland and all of his lands and titles were restored to him. He was to be representative of Henry VIII's case. Henry's ambassador shortly followed, setting up at Tantallon Castle. Archibald Douglas and Henry's ambassador would negotiate a short-lived treaty between England and Scotland, which did indeed betroth Henry's son to Mary, Queen of Scots. The treaty would crumble, and Henry would launch a horrible and bloody campaign to try and force Scotland to do his bidding. Archibald would eventually switch sides and go against Henry. Archibald's daughter would become the mother of Mary, Queen of Scots' second husband, Henry Stuart, Lord Darnley.